Good afternoon, everyone. I am Cadet Prieto.
I'm Cadet Gamboa. And Cadet Kampungan.
And today, guys, we are going to identify the chart title, chart number, and the chart symbols.
So now, this is the chart, and this type of chart is our skill chart. And this is the seal of the chart. And this is the title of the chart, Severn Estuary. And this is a tidal stream. And the sounding of the chart is deep in meters. This is the latitude, and this is the longitude. The latitude is going to the north, and the longitude is going to the west. So this is the corner coordinates. Latitude 51 degree 33 minutes and 36 seconds north, and longitude 2 degree 39 minutes and 3 west. This is the coordinate of the chart. Here is the compass rose. The variation of 7 degree 55 west 1979 decreased about 5 minutes annually.
So, guys, we're going to identify the chart symbols. So first, this is the north cardinal marks with very quick. Then this is the south cardinal mark, which is very quick, flashing 6 seconds, light flashing 10 seconds with bell. So the name of the buoy is South Cardiff. So next is these numbers here are the soundings, 61, 64, and then this is the harbor limit, and this is the sea contour, which is 20 meters depth, and then this symbol is obstruction and wreck. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching.